The clerk recorder's office here in San Luis Obispo is looking for local organizations to staff polling locations for the upcoming special election. As your community reporter, I spoke with one local organization that hosted multiple locations last year and the clerk recorder about what they need this year.
I'm sure that the clerk recorder's office would love to have more groups step forward.
The League of Women Voters of San Luis Obispo County hosted 5 polling locations with 70 volunteers across the county last November.
They serve from the time the polls open till at night after 8 o'clock.
The League's Voter Services Chair Ed Cabrera says he's looking forward to taking part in the county's Adopt a Poll program again, this time for the special election to vote on redistricting.
We have been in step with them, realizing there's going to be a special election, so we're ready to marshal our forces.
Adopt a Poll allows local organizations to staff polling locations in exchange for a stipend that will go right back to their organization.
Most organizations per precinct that they're hosting or that they're staffing, they'll receive about between $500 and $600.
Deputy Director Clerk Recorder Melanie Foster explains what's required to participate.
We prefer them to be nonpartisan. They need to be able to provide at least 4 to 5 workers throughout the day to man the polling location.
With 182,000 registered voters in San Luis Obispo County, last November's election had 70 polling locations.
We are hoping to have about 40 polling locations because it is the same ballot type across the entire county.
Foster says the sooner you can submit an application, the better.
We start making a backup list for anybody who calls out, has to cancel for whatever reason.
But if you want to get in contact with your community, if you want to aid the health of your democracy, there's probably nothing better than volunteering at the polls.
For more information on how you can apply to participate in the Adopt a Poll program, you can look for this story on KSBY.com. In San Luis Obispo, Sofia Villalba, KSBY News.